We have 15 judges in circuit court. They were all having the same issue. When you have 70% of your sentencing docket dealing with substance abuse, there's something that needs to be done. What drug court does is it brings somebody into the program who's had issues with substance abuse and or mental health issues to come into a program. It's intensive supervision. You come to court once a week. It can last 18 to 24 months. And you're basically trying to get a whole person back at the end of it so they don't come back into the criminal justice system.
Judge Escarati had reached out to the Community Services Board about a year ago, talking to us about how she's seeing an increase in her docket for drug use problems and wanting to know what can be done.
So we came together almost a year ago, went through quite a lot of trainings to get a drug court team together, and it's a model of a team with a prosecutor, a public defender, a treatment aspect to it, a law enforcement as well, and state probation. And we all get together as a team. The individuals are voluntarily into the program. These are people who have already been convicted of a nonviolent crime. They've been on probation, but they're coming back in front of the court on a probation violation due to substance abuse.
So our clients are going to have a team supporting them behind them. That's going to have a prosecutor, public defenders, sheriff's department, treatment through the CSB, and a judge that wants to see them get their lives back together.
Instead of going to jail on that probation violation, they can go into drug court.
Not only is it going to help our clients that are going through the drug court find meaningful ways to spend their lives. That may be finding employment they've never had, finding housing, finding community service involvement, but it's also going to be helping the residents of Fairfax County because it's cheaper to send an individual through drug court than it is to incarcerate them. And it's helping the clients through drug court learn meaningful, productive skills that they can then return to the community.